Diabetes is not the end of the road, but bad habits might be. Want to know what you're doing wrong? Let's fix that today. Hey there, if you or someone you care about has diabetes, you know it's not just about managing the condition, it's about living your best life. Diabetes doesn't have to hold you back, but it does require a few adjustments in the way you approach your health. Today, we're going to talk about the best habits for managing diabetes, ones that will leave you feeling energized, healthier, and maybe even more in control of your life. Let's dive in. Here's the thing, when most people think about diabetes, they think of all the things they can't do, the foods they can't eat, the activities they can't enjoy. The list of don'ts can feel like a prison. But here's a secret, it's not about the things you can't do. It's about finding the balance that works for you, your body, and your lifestyle. The real challenge comes when bad habits sneak in without us realizing it, the habits that can make things worse. So let's explore some habits that can make a huge difference in how you manage diabetes and how you feel overall. 1. Managing diabetes with diet. Managing diabetes doesn't have to be hard or complicated. Let's break it down with easy, sustainable tips for better blood sugar control. The key to managing diabetes with diet is focusing on whole, minimally processed foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods help regulate blood sugar and provide the essential nutrients your body needs to function well. By making these foods the foundation of your meals, you can gain better control over your blood sugar and your overall health. It's not just about what you eat, it's also about how you eat. The order in which you consume foods can affect how your blood sugar rises. For example, starting your meal with non-starchy vegetables or lean proteins like chicken or fish helps slow down the absorption of carbohydrates. This means your blood sugar won't spike as quickly. After your vegetables and protein, you can enjoy carbs like rice or potatoes, but pairing them with fiber-rich foods like leafy greens will help maintain steady blood sugar levels. If balancing your meals feels overwhelming, a registered dietitian, RD, can be an invaluable resource. RDs are nutrition experts who can help create a personalized meal plan tailored to your needs and preferences. They'll guide you on choosing the right foods, controlling portions, and ensuring balanced meals to manage blood sugar effectively. With their help, managing diabetes becomes less stressful and much easier to handle. For additional support, consider using a food tracking app. Tracking your meals for a few days can increase awareness of what you're eating and how it impacts your blood sugar. This simple tool can help you identify areas where you might need to eat more or less of certain foods. It's an easy way to stay accountable and improve your eating habits over time. In the end, managing diabetes with diet doesn't mean deprivation or feeling overwhelmed. By focusing on whole, balanced foods and being mindful of how and when you eat, you can keep your blood sugar levels steady. With the right strategies, managing diabetes can feel more like a sustainable, healthy lifestyle than a challenge. Every small step you take makes a big difference, and the results will follow. 2. Managing diabetes with physical activity. What if the key to controlling your blood sugar was moving your body every day? Let's break it down with simple, sustainable steps that can make a real difference. Managing diabetes with physical activity is one of the most powerful tools you have to lower blood sugar and maintain overall health. The best part? You don't have to be perfect or push yourself to extremes. It's about finding a movement routine you enjoy and can stick to. Whether it's a brisk walk, swimming, cycling, or dancing, these activities can make a huge impact on your blood sugar levels and overall energy. Consistency is the key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate physical activity, 5 days a week. This doesn't have to be in one go. You can break it up into smaller sessions if that works better for you. Just make sure you're moving regularly to help stabilize your blood sugar. If you're finding it hard to stay motivated, try getting an accountability buddy or joining a group class. Having someone to share your progress with makes exercise more enjoyable and helps keep you committed. When you have support, it turns exercise into a social activity, making it something you look forward to. But exercise doesn't just mean cardio. Strength and balance exercises are equally important, especially as we age. Building muscle is crucial for metabolism and overall function. In addition to your cardio, aim for 2-3 strength and balance sessions each week. These exercises help you stay strong, improve stability, and prevent injuries. If pain or injuries are holding you back, don't worry, help is available. Working with a physical therapist can be a game changer. A therapist will create a personalized routine that works for your body, helping you move safely and avoid future injuries. And if you're new to exercise, working with a personal trainer can also be a great option. They'll teach you proper form, guide you through exercises, and help you build a routine that becomes a habit. Remember, it's not about the intensity of the workout, it's about consistency. Whether you're walking, dancing, or lifting weights, every bit of movement counts. By staying active, you're not just managing your diabetes, you're taking care of your whole body. That makes all the difference. So, find something you love, stay consistent, and watch your blood sugar levels and energy improve. You've got this. 3. Blood glucose management. What if there was a way to track your blood sugar in real time and make smarter decisions about your health every day? Let's dive into how a continuous glucose monitoring system, CGM, can help you stay in control of your diabetes. Managing blood glucose is crucial for living a long, healthy life with diabetes. It can be challenging, but with the right tools, it's more manageable. A CGM is one of the most effective tools for managing blood glucose. It provides real-time feedback on your glucose levels, helping you understand how your body reacts throughout the day. CGMs are helpful because they provide continuous glucose data, letting you spot patterns that traditional testing might miss. Instead of pricking your finger multiple times a day, a CGM tracks your levels continuously, giving you more accurate insights into how food, exercise, and other factors affect your blood sugar. With this information, you can make informed decisions about your health. For example, you can adjust your diet or exercise routine based on how certain foods or activities affect your glucose levels. But CGMs work best when used alongside a strong healthcare team. Regular follow-ups with your doctor or diabetes educator are key to making the most of your CGM. By sharing your data, you can get personalized advice on how to improve your blood sugar control. One of the most valuable things CGMs reveal is how lifestyle factors like stress and sleep affect blood sugar. You may not realize how stress or poor sleep can cause fluctuations in your blood glucose. With a CGM, you can spot these trends and make adjustments to avoid those spikes or dips. Incorporating a CGM into your routine can help you take an active role in managing your diabetes. With real-time data, you can make smarter, healthier decisions every day. It's about being proactive with your health, using the tools available to manage your diabetes effectively. Start using a CGM today to take control of your blood glucose and live life to the fullest. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe for more easy and healthy meal ideas. And if you have any questions or need more tips, drop a comment below. I'd love to help. Now, let's get back to it. 4. Managing stress levels. Did you know that stress can raise your blood sugar just like food? Let's explore how managing stress is just as important as diet and exercise for managing diabetes. Chronic stress can significantly impact blood sugar control. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which can raise blood sugar levels and interfere with insulin function. That's why learning how to manage stress is key to keeping your blood sugar stable and supporting overall health. The good news? There are plenty of ways to reduce stress, and it doesn't have to involve complicated techniques. One of the most common challenges is putting others' needs ahead of our own. We often take care of our loved ones but neglect our own health, which can lead to accumulated stress. Over time, this stress can begin to affect our physical health, including blood sugar levels. It's important to recognize this pattern and make a conscious effort to prioritize your own well-being. After all, you can't care for others if you're not feeling your best. Relaxation techniques can vary from person to person. What works for one might not work for another, and that's okay. Some people find walking in nature helps them reset, while others prefer talking to a close friend or family member. Even small moments of relaxation can make a big difference in how your body reacts to stress. Yoga, Deep breathing exercises, or even listening to music can be effective ways to unwind and de-stress. If the first relaxation techniques you try don't work, don't get discouraged. There are plenty of options to explore until you find something that works for you. The most important thing is to make relaxation a priority and find methods that fit your lifestyle. When you focus on your mental and emotional health, you're also supporting your body's ability to manage blood sugar more effectively. So take time each day to check in with yourself, unwind, and manage your stress. With consistency and the right methods, you can better control your blood sugar and overall health. Remember, your well-being comes first, and making stress management a part of your daily routine can make all the difference. 5. Prioritize quality sleep. Struggling with blood sugar? The secret might be in your sleep. Let's dive into why getting quality sleep is essential for managing diabetes. Sleep isn't just about feeling rested, it plays a crucial role in regulating your blood sugar. Poor sleep can make it harder to process glucose, which leads to higher blood sugar levels. This is particularly challenging for people with diabetes, as it creates a cycle of instability in blood sugar control. That's why quality sleep should be a top priority if you're serious about managing your diabetes. Aim for 7-9 hours of restful sleep every night. Consistent, quality sleep helps your metabolism function properly, and it supports your body's ability to regulate glucose. A regular sleep schedule can make a huge difference in your energy levels and your ability to maintain stable blood sugar. If you're having trouble sleeping, it's important to figure out what's causing it. Stress, poor sleep habits, or conditions like obstructive sleep apnea, OSA, could be to blame. OSA is a common condition where your breathing stops and starts during sleep, which disrupts your rest and makes blood sugar control more difficult. If you're waking up tired even after a full night's sleep or having trouble staying asleep, it may be time to consult with your healthcare provider. Using a fitness tracker or smartwatch can help you understand your sleep patterns. These devices can show how much time you spend in deep sleep versus light sleep, giving you insights into how well you're resting. While these devices aren't a replacement for medical advice, they can help you identify areas to improve. Making sleep a priority means more than just resting. It's about giving your body the chance to recover, repair, and regulate blood sugar more effectively. With better sleep, you'll find it easier to stick to healthy habits like eating right and exercising, which support your overall well-being. So if you're struggling with sleep, don't ignore it. Take the steps to improve your rest, and you'll notice the difference in your blood sugar levels and overall health. Prioritizing sleep isn't just good for your body, it's essential for managing your diabetes. 6. Maintain a healthy weight. Last one. Let's explore how achieving and maintaining a healthy weight can improve your blood sugar control and overall health. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for managing diabetes effectively. For people with diabetes, reaching and maintaining a healthy weight can make a significant difference in blood sugar control, reducing the risk of complications and improving overall health. The good news is, you don't have to make drastic changes to see results. Small adjustments to your diet and exercise routine can have a big impact. If you're struggling with weight loss or maintaining a healthy weight, you're not alone. Genetics, body type, and other health conditions can make it harder for some people to lose weight. If your BMI, body mass index, is over 27, it may be helpful to consult with a specialist in obesity medicine. These professionals can provide a personalized plan and guidance on how to address your weight management challenges effectively. In addition to working with a healthcare professional, there are many tools and medications that can support your weight management journey. Medications can help control blood sugar levels, and when combined with a healthy diet and exercise, they can be very effective in helping you lose or maintain weight. Finding the right combination of strategies and tools is essential for success. Even losing just 7–10% of your body weight can significantly improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of complications. This small amount of weight loss can also help reverse some chronic conditions like high blood pressure or high cholesterol. The benefits are far-reaching, and achieving this goal doesn't require perfection, just consistent effort. By focusing on a healthy weight through diet, exercise, and professional support, you can make a significant impact on your blood sugar control and overall health. Start with small, manageable changes and build up from there. Every step you take toward a healthier weight brings you closer to better blood sugar control and a healthier life. You've got this. So there you have it. These 6 habits aren't just tips, they are real, actionable steps you can take to manage your diabetes and improve your overall health. Whether it's making smarter food choices, staying active, or managing stress, every small change adds up to something huge in the long run. You don't have to do it all at once. Just pick one habit, start small, and keep building from there. The more consistent you are, the better you'll feel. Remember, your health is in your hands, and every step you take brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. If you found these habits helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tips to help you live your best life. And if you want to learn even more ways to manage your diabetes effectively, make sure to check out our next video on Trust Me, you won't want to miss it. Keep going, keep learning, and keep taking care of yourself. You've got this.